All right, about to head out of work right now. This is gonna be the first snow in the Trackhawk. So we'll see if we can find a fucking snowy lot to play around in and see how she do. I can't really tell yet. It seems like it's kind of sliding a little bit, but I can't tell if it's still doing that or not. No, I think we're good. It slid a little bit coming out of my work and it didn't. It seemed like it was about to do bad for a second. But we'll see. Oh, perfect, boy. Now we talking. I'm gonna go pick up Harry and then see if we can get some sliding action in. All right, so she slides decent. It's not bad. We're gonna hand her on off to Harry to hop out and get some Cyclones maybe. Ugh. Dude, that was sick. Alright, you can cut it. Alright guys, it's probably gonna wrap it up for tonight. There's not much more snow on the ground, and no one else is trying to go out for real. Just a quick little clip, get some Cyclones in and dip. But should have some more shit coming this week, so I'll see you guys then.